Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the solved problem based on the tabulation method or Quine McCluskey method. That is simplification of the Boolean function. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Simplify the following Boolean function by using Quine McCluskey method or tabulation method. The given Boolean function is f of a, b, c, d equal to sum of min term 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 14. Right? There are 4 variables available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 parameters are available. We need to simplify this Boolean function using this tabulation method. So the step 1 is list all the min terms in the binary form, that is column A. Arrange the min terms according to the number of ones in the column B. First, all the min terms are written in binary form, that is arranged with the number of ones. There is only 1 1, only 2 ones, 3 ones, like that. Then the step 3 is compare each binary number with every term in the adjacent next higher category. If they differ by only one position, put a tick mark and copy them in the next column with dash symbol in the position. That is column C. So we'll see this column A and B, separate tabular column is available. We'll see that what is column A, column B and column C. So this is column A. All the min terms are written in a binary format, 0, 1 up to 14, right? That is in the format 8421. 9 means 8421. 8 plus 1, 9. This is written in the binary format. Column B is arranged in the order. That is having all zeros. Only 1 1. Only 2 ones. Only 3 ones. So it is arranged. So first 0, all are zeros. 1, 2, 4, 8. Having only 1 1. Remaining are zeros. 5, 6, 9, 12. 2 ones are available. So that is arranged in the third category. 13 and 14 having 3 ones. Right? So column B arranged in order according to the number of ones. Now this is category 1 having all zeros. Category 2, category 3, category 4. Category 4 having 3 ones. Now we need to compare this category 1 with category 2. 2 with 3, 3 with 4. And identify that is differ by only one digit. All the 3 digits should be same, only one digit is different. That should be written in the column C. First we will check the category 1 with category 2, that is 0 is verified with 1, 2, 4, 8. So definitely here all are zeros, here only 1 1 is there. So all will differ by only one digit, 0, 1. So 0 0 0, here 0 0 1. Only fourth digit is differ. So we have to put the dash mark, 0 0 0 dash. While comparing 0 and 1, the dash available in the fourth column. While comparing 0 and 2, 0 and 2, 0 0 dash 0, dash available in third position. Similarly 0, 4, fourth position, second position. 0, 8, first position. So these are all differ. Now we have to compare with the second category with the third category. 1, 2, 4, 8 should be compared with 5, 6, 9, 12. So while comparing we got that 1, 5. See 1, 5. 1 is 0, 0, 1. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. Right? So first digit is 0. Second digit only differs. Here 1, there 0. Third digit is 0, fourth digit is 1. Right? So only second digit is differ, 0 dash 0 1. Similarly we need to compare the other terms, right? 1, 9 differ by first digit, 2, 6 differ by second digit, 4, 5 differ by fifth digit, fourth digit. We will see this 4 and 5. 4 is 0 1 0 0. 5 is 0 1 0 1. So first digit is 0, second digit is 1. Third digit is 0. Only fourth digit differ. Here 0, here 1. Right? So that fourth digit is given as dash. Similarly 4, 6. Third digit differs. 4, 12 first digit, 8, 9 last digit. Similarly the remaining 8, 12 second digit. Now we need to compare the third column, third category with the fourth category. These four should be compared. So while comparing this 5, 30 is differ by first digit. We will see that 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. 13 is 1, 1, 0, 1. See this only the first digit is here 0, 1, there 0. Second digit is 1. Third digit is 0. Fourth digit is 1. So only first digit differs. So dash 1, 0, 1. Similarly we can compare the remaining 6, 14, 9, 13, 12, 13, 12, 4. Right. So after comparing this, we have to verify all the terms are covered in column C. Accordingly, we have to put the tick mark in the column B. So what are the terms available in column C? Whether it is covered, we have to put the tick mark. Right. For example, 0 and 1 is covered. So 0, 1 covered. 2 also covered. 4 is covered. 8 is covered. Like that we have to put the tick mark. So all are covered. At least one term is compared here. Starting from 0, 1, 2 up to 14, all terms are covered here. So we have to put the tick mark. If the tick mark is there, that is not a prime implicant. The tick mark is not there means that is a prime implicant. So column C, now we verify. Now we need to check this category. First category, second category and third category available. Like column B, we have to verify this first category with the second category, second with the third category. Right? That is column D. Same thing what we referred, what we compared here, same thing should be repeated for column C also. After column D, we have to verify whether the all terms are covered in column D. We have to put the tick mark. Here also all terms are covered. In column D, all terms are available. So we will put the tick mark. Right. Now we'll go to the column D. So in this step 4, the same process we have to repeat. In column C, 3 categories available, 3 categories are compared. First and second and third. That is nothing but column D. Right. See this 0, 1, 4, 5. These 4 are 0, 1 from first category, 4, 5 from second category compared. While comparing, it is differ by second and fourth digit. 0, dash, 0, dash. Right. So these are all compared. Similarly, 0, 1, 8, 9. Differ by first and fourth category. 0, 2, 4, 6. Second and third digit is differ. 0, 4, 8, 12. First and second digit is differ. Now we'll see one model. 0, 1, 4, 5. How we are, it is differ. Right. We'll see that. So this is the final expression. All three terms are covered. So the simplified Boolean function is a bar d bar plus b d bar plus c bar. So in this video we discussed the how to simplify the Boolean function using tabulation method called a Quine McCluskey method. So first we arranged the all min terms in binary form, column A, and arranged in a order, all zeros only 1, 1, 2, 1, column B. and each and every binary is verified, differ by only one digit, put the tick mark, that is column C. Same process repeated, column D. Again same process repeated, column E. From column C, column B is verified, all are covered. From column D, column C is verified, whether all terms are covered. From column E, column D is verified. At the time, 2 terms are not covered. And column E also not covered. So we got 3 prime implicants. That is verified with one more tabular column, having 11 columns, writing all min terms. Put the n circle. If only one n circle is there, corresponding prime term, we have to put the tick mark. More than one circle means no need to put. So after verifying, we got that all 3 min terms are, put the tick mark. So based on that, we wrote this expression. So this is the simplified Boolean function. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.